Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a very exciting advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it's the Sephora advent calendar, our very first UK Sephora advent calendar. This calendar was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I will pop links to this calendar and the Sephora website and any offers they have running, so you'll find that down below in my description. Inside contains 34 deluxe beauty treats. I cannot wait to have a look, so let's open it up. The smell is beautiful. This is what it looks like. Okay, so day number one is this massive box here, and we're off to a really good start. We've got two great brands. We've got an Elemis. This is a soothing apricot toner, a calming facial toner, and there is 200 mils there. Elemis is a gorgeous, gorgeous brand. Really lovely. I've already got one of these and it smells amazing as well. Yeah, really, really nice. Then we've got a Pie Lightwork Rosehip Fruit Extract Cleansing Oil, and there's 100 mils there. Apply 2 to 3 pumps to dry skin, massage across the face and eyes to dissolve dirt and makeup. Really nice day one items there. Day number two, and we've got a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is a full-size mascara, and it is one of my top 3, I'd say. Top 3 favourite mascaras. I absolutely love it. Have loved it for years and years and years. My lashes are a nightmare, so to find a mascara that actually lifts them, makes it look like I have actually got eyelashes, is a huge thing. The brush isn't too large either for my bottom lashes. I've just got to be really careful because they are virtually non-existent, but I do like to put mascara there. So that's day number 2. Day number 3, and we've got Rio de Janeiro, enriched with retinol mimicking cacao oil and plant collagen, and there's 75 mils there. Now I tried a sample of this a couple of months ago and I can't remember what it's like. I absolutely adore the Bum Bum cream. The smell is, oh my gosh, it's stunning. So, oh, look, oh, it's so thick. It is so thick. Let's try a little bit on my hand. There. Oh, it's lovely. It's a completely different scent to the Bum Bum cream. It's more perfumey, but it's not strong. It is not strong. I can't describe it. I'm not very good at describing. But no, that's nice. It feels nice as well. So there's an elasticity boosting body cream there. Day number 4. And we got Declio Neroli Cleansing Mousse. This is professional formulation and there's 50 mils there. I have to sniff this. I love the Neroli range from Declio, but I don't think I've tried this one before. Oh, I have to. Oh, it smells beautiful. It smells really, really lovely. Neroli Biggerad. Oh, it's lovely. Yeah, a cleansing mousse. Day number 5 is hidden. I can't find it. Ooh, we've got Omorovicka Budapest. This is a deep cleansing mask, and there's 15 mils there. Show you what it looks like. This is like a clay mask because I've tried this before as well. Not for a long, long time though. Yeah, look. Again, it has the most amazing smell. Yeah. Or am I getting confused with Neroli on my hands and the Rio de Janeiro body cream? It's a deep cleansing mask. There you go. Day number 6. Oh, we've got some nail polish. This is by Nails Inc. London. Be Your Incredible Self in shade Peppermint Place. Now I have my nails gelled. They are due next week. They are not looking the best. A few has popped off. You're not going to get a really good look up close. You'll be looking out for it now though, won't you? But anyway, having them done next week. So I don't use nail polish on my fingernails, but I do use them on my toes, and that's a nice colour. It's a nice sort of blood red colour. Yeah. Day number 7, we got 2 items in here. We've got Comfort Zone Renite Cream, Nourishing Vitamin Cream, and there's 30 mils. Face cream with goji berry, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid and macadamia oil for an intensive night cream antioxidant action. The skin appears regenerated and nourished. Then we have got Virtue Real Science True Beauty Exfoliating Scalp Treatment. Detoxifies, rebalances and conditions, and there's 15 mils there as well. instantly I go to sniff it. I can't help it. Yeah, it smells really nice. Really nice. So that's an exfoliating scalp treatment. Day number 8. And we've got caffeine solution 5% and EGCG. This is from The Ordinary. Reduces appearance of eye contour, pigmentation and of puffiness. And there's 30 mils here. So many people love this product. I did try it a couple of years ago, but unfortunately, me being me, because I'm trying products all the time, I forgot about it. I went on to trying different products and I forgot about it, and it just got to the point where I just thought, nah, I need to throw it, and I haven't bought it since. Massage a small amount onto the eye contour, AM and PM. So that is day number, I forgot what number we were on, number 8. Day number 9. We've got 2 items again. First up, we've got Molten Brown, Heavenly Ginger Lily, Bath and Shower Gel, and there is 100 mils there. It's lovely. I know for a fact that these cost £10. My favourite is the Rhubarb and Rose. I don't like rose smells, but I love that one. I love it. And I got the diffuser a couple of years ago as well. Oh, it's such a stunning scent. So yeah, so we got that. And then we got some patches from Patchology. These are for your under eyes. There's a set of 2 there. Rejuvenating eye gels. Pop them in the fridge before you use them for extra benefits. Feels nice and refreshing. Day number 10. What have we got here? Eyeshadow. It's a new brand for me. This is Drench Lip Serum. There's 12 mils here, but there's also a little card and it says eyes on the prize. If you look at your tube, oh, it's there. It says, if you look at your tube, you'll find one of our lucky golden tickets. You and a friend now have a chance to win a free luxury hydrofacial treatment at one of our Dr. Eshow's award-winning Eshow MD clinics nationwide. If you win, both of you will receive a full skincare goodie bag worth over £500. And then it's got information about how to go on the website and to see if you win. Wow, okay. Apply daily as required to boost and sustain drench-like hydration effect to lips. Just put a tiny bit on my hand. I don't want to waste it. So yeah, something new for me. Provides hydration for up to 14 hours. Yeah, that sounds great. Especially coming into the winter months. So there's that. Day number 11, and we've got a Huda Beauty liquid eyeliner. This is a lifeliner, quick and easy, very Vanta in black. This is a really lovely liquid eyeliner. It's a brush nib, which means, woo, there, I can't see properly. It means that you can get some really fine strokes if you want to, or thicken it up. Yeah, it's gorgeous. And it says here, store this way up. But I don't. I leave all my liquid eyeliners flat in a little tray. But it makes sense, doesn't it, for the liquid to reach the nib. Yeah. Day number 12. We've got a face oil by Pi. This is the Light Fantastic Ceramide Face Oil. And there's 10 mils here. Now, I absolutely adore the Rose Hip Oil by Pi. It's gorgeous. I got it next to my bed. I have a few different oils. I just like switching things around. But yeah, it's part of my nighttime routine. So I'm not sure if I've tried this one before. It might be in my little beauty skincare collection yet to try. Day number 13. And we've got something for your hair. This is by Sam McKnight. Happy Endings. It's a Nourishing Balm. And there's 30 mils there. It says a light nourishing cream enriched with provitamin B5, keratin and shea butter, helps tame frizz, smooth split ends, soften hair, define curls and creates texture. Something for your hair. Day number 14. And we have got a set of 2 products from Filorga. This is a time filler night, a multi-correction wrinkles night cream. And there's 15 mils there. Next up, we have got a serum. We've got an ultra lifting serum. And there's 7 mils there. So a serum and a night cream by Filorga Paris. Day number 15. We have got a product by Rodial. I adore this brand. They do amazing products. This is Soft Focus Glow Drops. It's an illuminating ultimate glow primer. And there's 31 mils there. just show you what it's like. Just put a little bit on my hand. Woo! Just rub it in. I just realised I've just put it on top of the oil as well. Doesn't matter. But hopefully you can see there, my hand doesn't look all glittery, super shimmery or anything. It gives almost like a glass finish, like a dewy glow to the skin. It is really pretty. Really, really pretty. So you've got some glow drops. Day number 16. And we've got 2 more products. And these are Origins and Lancome. Origins Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and there's 15 mils there. We've got a Youth Activating Concentrate. This is Advanced Genifique, and there's 7 mils there. This is like serum. Does it give me information on the back? No. This one doesn't mention anything, but this one says it's oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. Use AM and PM. My 16-year-old daughter absolutely loves this. She's got very sensitive skin, prone to acne as well, and she says this is amazing. She really likes it. So yeah, so there's those 2. Day number 17, we have got, this is KVD Beauty Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. What shade it is. It is Lolita. I've never tried the lipsticks. I've literally only ever tried mascaras and liquid eyeliners. Oh, and sample perfumes. I'm loving the packaging of this. That is beautiful. Look. Isn't that gorgeous? So you twist up. That's the colour. Let's see. Oh, that is really nice. A nice berry shade. Yeah, it's beautiful. So a nourishing butter lipstick there. Day number 18, we've got Hydrate B5. This is Medicate Liquid Rehydration Serum, and there's 30 mils there. I'm currently using their peptide serum at the moment, and I have a SPF and a moisturizer in one that is coming to the end as well. I love this brand. It is such a good brand. I've got a vitamin C serum from them. Yeah, really, really great. No, I'm not going to open it up. I'm going to save it until I need it. But it says, with multi-weight hyaluronic acid, infuse your skin with intense hydration and long-lasting moisture using a blend of multi-weight hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 to leave skin moisturized from the deeper layers right up until the surface. Yeah, really, really happy with that. Day number 19. And we've got Aromatherapy Associates. This is Shower Oil, Rich Oil to Milk Body Cleanser. This is in Rose, and there's 50 mils here. Now I know, unfortunately, this is not for me. It's a very strong rosy smell. A lot of you love it, but I don't. Oh, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Why do I think I wouldn't like it? Hang on, Shower Oil. Let's have another sniff. I think what it is, I've tried some Aromatherapy Associate products over the last month or 2. There's a range that had rose-scented products. There's another range, a sleep relaxation range, and it's that I don't like. This, even though I don't like rose, it is really nice. Yeah, I definitely use that. So a Rich Oil to Milk Body Cleanser there. Day number 20, and we have got a Nars Blush. This is a little mini one in Orgasm X. She's got a little mirror. What it looks like there. So a shimmery salmon, corally, pinky blush. Running out of words. Oh my word. Day 21, look. There's a load of things in here. Starting off with Living Proof for your hair. This is a perfect hair day. Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair and softens and shines. And there's 90 mils. Then we've got Fekai, a perfecting cream. It has no nasties and it's a brilliant gloss multitasker, and there's 60 mils there. Next we've got Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment, and there's 75 mils there. And lastly, in day 21, we have got a Nursem. This is a hand cream. This is really good. This is developed specifically for nurses during the pandemic, and I believe, if it's still, do they say that? Yeah, it says, yeah, we give a month's worth of free Nursem to a nurse or midwife. Yeah, it's a really nice cream, really handy over the winter times, particularly when your skin just gets drier. My calendar wants to fall on me. So yeah, so those are those products for day 21. Day 22, We've got perfume. This is a Floral Street. Always beautiful bottles. It's gorgeous. Floral Street Wild Vanilla Orchid Eau de Parfum 10 mils. Hopefully you may be able to see in there. So pretty. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Yeah, that is lovely. That is gorgeous. What is it? Wild Vanilla Orchid. It's not too sweet. I thought it might be, but it's not. So we've got a perfume. Day number 23. We've got Augustinus Bader, the cream. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous cream. There's 15 mils here. It's a really, really lovely cream. I've tried a little sample and it's beautiful. Now there's no information booklet that comes with this advent calendar, but all the products that I've shown you, you can find on the Sephora website. So if you want to learn a little bit more about them, you can do it that way. But yeah. No, that's all I can smell is the perfume that I just sprayed. I don't think it has a scent. It's a really nice cream. Really nice, luxurious cream there. So what was that? Day number 23. Day number 24. We've got a Neom candle. It's a full size Neom candle. This is a real luxury scented candle. This is lavender, jasmine, Brazilian rosewood. This is scent to de-stress. That's on 185 grams. I love these candles. I love it. I think this is the first time I've had a full size one. I've had minis in advent calendars before. I don't think I've ever had a full size one. Oh, look at it. Oh, it just looks so nice and new. Yeah, I love it. I've got a few in this bedroom and I've got a few downstairs as well. They're just beautiful. They look stunning, but they smell amazing. Yeah, really, really happy with that. So we've got this candle by Neom. Day number 25, the last day of the advent calendar. And we have got two items here. We've got a perfume and an eyeshadow palette. We've got Natasha Denona Holiday Exclusive Mini Metropolis eyeshadow palette and eyeshadow brush set. Look at that green. Normally, brushes that come with little mini palettes, they're not, you know, you wouldn't use them, but look. Look, nice and soft. Yeah, that's lovely. And this as well, and the palette. It doesn't feel cheap and tacky. It's hard to explain. It's really hard to explain. It doesn't feel cheap and tacky. Oh, look, I cannot wait to try that green. Right. Oh my gosh, on that yellow, or the gold then, I say yellow. I might as well do them all for you. Look at those. So, so pretty. Yeah, really, really happy with those. And then we've got Angel. This is by Mugler. And there is 5 mils here. So cute. I'm obsessed with little minis. Look at the state of my fingers. I'm obsessed with little minis of perfumes. They're just so pretty. No, it's more, I can't sniff it properly. I've got a mix of things. I'll have to do it again. It's smelling a bit off, in all honesty, but it could be because my hands are covered in all different creams and oils and things like that. So yeah, I can't really tell you what it's like. So there's that. So those are all the products inside this year's, well, the UK's very first Sephora advent calendar. The cost of the advent calendar is £139. It has a value of over £700. It contains 34 different products, and I definitely think they saved the best to last. I noticed as we were getting towards the end of the calendar, we were seeing more larger sizes. Saying that, day number 1 was really good. It had 2 full-size products, the Pie Cleanser and the Elemis Facial Toner. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you bought one for yourself, or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.